Cloud storage has been the best place to store everything for years, from photos and documents to whole businesses, but there has always been a trade-off. You give up control for convenience. You can easily save your files, but they are stored on someone else's server, and follow their rules. Your data could be at risk if the server crashes, gets hacked, or the company changes its rules. Generative AI, especially the latest surge of enthusiasm surrounding it, is an impressive technology that empowers individuals. It will enhance people's efficiency in various types of work. So, will things change? Absolutely. So a lot of what we're seeing in machine learning, perhaps over the last 10 years, has been driven by the cloud. There, you have enough computing to develop many of these initiatives that we're witnessing. So this brings us back to the rise of Alexa and Echo devices, as well as home assistants. Many of the generative AI solutions we're seeing are, of course, deployed on the cloud. So many of the workloads that solution architects will be working on will incorporate generative AI solutions. The opposing side uses those tools to become more efficient at their profession. If you're developing a CloudFormation template, which is a great approach for deploying infrastructure in AWS, for instance, it can be challenging to assemble. However, if you can leverage an AI tool to assist you in writing it more efficiently, feel free to do so. So, we are currently witnessing a big explosion in generative AI. Particularly, it has caused many organizations to be talking about machine learning and AI. So, if you can be the person who goes into that conversation knowing what the technology can do, and maybe what it can't do right now, and is just trying to stay up to date on the latest developments, you'll be extremely valuable, because everyone wants AI in their organization, but many people don't know how to do it, or even what it can do. However, the most significant update is that blockchain still has much to improve upon. It isn't as fast or user-friendly as traditional cloud storage, and many people prefer not to manage private keys or concern themselves with tokens. Cloud technology is addressing these issues. Blockchain storage platforms are becoming more user-friendly by leveraging the scalability, speed, and simplicity of cloud solutions. You don't need a computer science degree to utilize them. So, the big question is, will blockchain replace cloud storage? Let's break it down. Over the last 2 years, we've watched AI go from a highly experimental concept to one that is interwoven in everything we see online. People use ChatGPT models to generate LinkedIn comments, write automated emails, and even create hyper-realistic videos with AI. The recent emergence and fall of Studio Ghibli-style AI graphics serves as an excellent example. People used ChatGPT to create anime-inspired versions of themselves, and it went quite viral. Cloud usage increased so dramatically that Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, tweeted, "Please chill with these images," because their GPUs were overloaded. But this sparked an ethical controversy. The original Studio Ghibli creators never provided permission for their style to be copied in that manner. In fact, some have labeled AI animation an insult to life itself. So definitely keep this in mind the next time you create photographs with AI. So what does this mean for the cloud? Cloud computing is the underlying technology that powers the AI and everything trend. Every interaction, from image generation to content creation, is powered by cloud computation, storage, and APIs. This indicates that the need for cloud computing resources will only increase. And it's not just consumer tools like ChatGPT that leverage the cloud. AI is increasingly integrated straight into cloud systems. Take Amazon Q as an example. AWS created an AI-powered assistant for developers, cloud engineers, and business users. Amazon Q is fully integrated into the AWS console and can be used to generate code, debug bugs, develop documentation, and much more. First and foremost, AI expertise is required. You do not need to create your own models, but you should understand what these tools do, how to use them properly, and how to incorporate them into your cloud operations. Second, keep in mind that AI is only possible because of cloud infrastructure. Almost every AI interaction depends on the cloud. So, if you understand how cloud platforms handle scaling, provisioning, and cost, you're already ahead. Third, the intersection of AI and cloud technology is precisely where hiring will take place. More firms seek employees that understand both cloud computing and artificial intelligence, rather than just one or the other. So in the future, AI will not be viewed as a separate tool. As more AI tools become available, cloud usage will only increase. Okay, now let us move on to the next topic, blockchain as a service, BaaS. Let us evaluate the main cloud service providers on the market today and see what they have to offer in terms of blockchain. Keep in mind that BaaS, or blockchain as a service, is also applied to the backend as a service concept. GCP has not made any investments in this sector, and they presently provide no blockchain-related services. Microsoft Azure has released a service called the Azure Blockchain Service. but it was terminated in September 2021. In contrast, AWS provides the most comprehensive cloud solution for those looking to ride the blockchain wave. AWS provides Amazon-managed blockchain service, which allows you to construct a node on the public Ethereum blockchain with a few clicks and connect to Hyperledger Fabric networks. It is a fully managed service, so you only need to focus on the applications you create on the platform. AWS also provides Amazon Quantum Ledger database for those seeking immutable data chain tracking. It is divided into two parts: a component that contains current state information and an append-only journal that records each change in the current state database. IBM and Oracle are also involved in the blockchain as a service approach. IBM was the first cloud provider to jump on the blockchain bandwagon, and it now has one of the most mature blockchain as a service offerings. Oracle Blockchain is an implementation of the Ledger Fabric that has some additional functionality. Aside from these, numerous minor players provide blockchain as a service for specific use cases. You must determine your requirements and select the appropriate blockchain as a service for your application. Today's cloud storage business is highly consolidated, with Amazon Web Services, Microsoft, Google Cloud, and Alibaba Cloud dominating. As a result, with decreased competition, consumers and businesses seeking secure storage have fewer options and less freedom. These organizations are initially trapped into contracts. Furthermore, the existing architecture causes data to indicate to several dangers and weaknesses. On the supply side, there is a huge inefficiency. Globally, very energy-intensive internet data centers operate at an average capacity utilization of 70%. Companies with data centers, particularly those that do not participate in the cloud market, and suppliers spent an average of 30% more on the total cost of ownership of the required cloud capacity. This allocation inefficiency represents a significant opportunity to boost utilization, amortize costs, and lower cloud storage pricing. IoT, artificial intelligence, and machine learning are driving the rapid expansion of computers and storage. IoT, AI, and machine learning firms have a significant economic influence across all industries. They are expected to provide an additional 15% of global GDP by 2030. The growth of IoT, AI, and machine learning is tremendous, with yearly revenue predicted to exceed $200 billion in the next 5 years, up from $20 billion just a few years ago. The United States, China, and Asia are currently leading the race. The usual pay-per-use model eliminates expensive starting costs and allows for workload surges dependent on data volume. While lower initial costs are beneficial to almost every early-stage firm, the flexibility to tolerate peak workloads is extremely valuable to machine learning companies, particularly when training data models. The decentralized cloud enables businesses of all sizes to experiment with breakthrough technologies such as IoT and machine learning, while also accommodating capacity scalability as projects go into production and demand for the new service grows. Blockchain technologies have the potential to greatly increase the benefits of decentralized cloud storage for businesses throughout their life cycle. Indeed, the primary benefits of blockchain enable businesses to handle negative market dynamics, minimize supply-side inefficiencies, and improve usability, scalability, and total cost. Now let us move on to the following topic: blockchain applications on cloud. The first use case is in the healthcare industry. Many healthcare facilities still submit sensitive information into centralized systems, which frequently results in data loss and security concerns. Adopting blockchain technology can help to decrease data loss. You can create a decentralized log of private data and provide the information using unique encrypted codes. To ensure efficient operations at every stage of transportation, supply chains create and request a vast amount of data. Because of real-time visibility and control, blockchain and logistics management can help you increase revenue while reducing security risks. Blockchain technologies also promote interoperability, data openness, and more accurate product tracking. In conclusion, the landscape of data storage and management is evolving rapidly, with blockchain technology emerging as a potential game changer. While traditional cloud storage has served us well, the challenges of control, security, and efficiency are prompting a shift towards decentralized solutions. As we've explored, the integration of AI and cloud computing is paving the way for innovative applications, and blockchain is poised to enhance these developments further. As we move forward, it's essential to stay informed about these technologies and their implications for our digital lives. Whether you're a business owner, a tech enthusiast, or simply someone interested in the future of data management, understanding the interplay between cloud storage, blockchain, and AI will be crucial. Thank you for watching the video. If this video was helpful to you, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell symbol to get more videos like this in your feed.